Guys, if you're seeing this technical details error, then the issue, I'm going to fix it, okay? An error occurred calling the Steam OS Autobit client helper child process something here, and then failed to download metadata or something, okay, when you're trying to install it. So why I'm getting this error? So it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to connect to the internet. That's the problem. So if your internet is not connecting properly, so this is my internet connection. So I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to connect it. I need to provide the password. Sorry, I need to provide the password. I have connected the keyboard and then connected. Sorry, and then connected. So it's successfully connected, friends. Now I think the issue should be resolved now. Now I'm going to close it. Okay, if Steam Deck needs to be updated, then it will be updating. And then now I'm closing it. So it's connected already, and I'm going to install it. Okay. Again, search Chiaki. Search Chiaki. This time it should be working fine. Chiaki app. Just type it, and yes, guys. So this time I don't get any error. See, that is the problem of network. So it's installing now. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the network issues on your Steam Deck. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.